Everybody, and welcome to the free Lowry class for May 16th. And we are in book 74, doing page 64, doing September in the Rain. Good song. And we're going to do it like Frank Sinatra, but then we're going to take a jazz background, a little bit different than Frank's, and try it in a couple different modes. So we suggest 108 beats per minute, right around there, give or take. And listening to Frank Sinatra sing it too. Frank and the Count is the rhythm that we want. It's under big band. And we want to use number 6 in the normal rhythm presets, which is Harry and Benny. And we are going to use number 10, if you like it. That's bright brass. And those two seem to work pretty good. And then you can try that. And the other rhythm that we can use would be under swing. It's called Jazz Club. And I want to talk about one thing here that some of you may not know about your Lowry organs and the general presets, rhythm presets. We want to use Tommy and Jimmy. I don't like the Jimmy on this one here, but the Tommy, of course, is, beautiful trombone. And the Jimmy doesn't sound like much like a clarinet. And then bright brass, which is number 10, and Harry and Benny, which is number 1. So whenever we go to, let's go to the rhythm here, the Jazz Club. And this holds true for all the rhythm presets on the Lowry. When I go to the normal preset and settings, you see number 1 and 2 there? Look what happens when I press the 1. Look what happens to the Genie, or the Orchestra Plus. It doesn't put it in. So you're only playing with the Genie, okay? Now look what happens when I go to Tommy and Jimmy, which is number 2. And let's see if they're all on. Let's do Tommy and Jimmy, and look what's happened. Again, it takes off the Orchestra Plus. Now, when you do that, if you don't have both of them on, you're not going to get a full intro or a full ending. And this holds true for everything on the Lowry. The first 2 presets, rhythm presets, normal rhythm presets, will take off the Orchestra Plus. So you have to manually put on. And I put that down here. Add Orchestra Plus, add Orchestra Plus. Okay, so, and I recommend ending 1 or 2, 1 and ending 1 at that point, or whatever you like. At the bottom of the sheet is the first repeat. If you're going to repeat the song, this is the one that you go to: C chord for 2 beats, F 7th chord 2 beats, C chord for 2 beats, G 7th for 1 beat, but the first half of the beat is a rest. And there's your G. And it's just like that G, but you don't go to that G, you go right back to the beginning, okay? So, now the last ending, that is a little bit different. So this is used only the last time. We have, let's see, let's go back to here. So C6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I didn't change chords because I can't hold the phone and do that too. So, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, glissando into the F7th. 1, 2, 3, glissando from the C to the highest C. Those are all C's. and the right hand. I should mark those down. I think I will in a minute. These are all C's down here. That's a C there. And that's a C way up high. And then you press your ending. Outside of that, I think that's pretty well it. And just make sure that you get your Add Orchestra Plus. So you get, if you're using it for endings or intros, that you get the full shot. All right, I hope that you enjoy it. And yeah, it's a great song. It's a classic for sure. Anything Frank Sinatra sings is a classic. So anyway, we'll talk to you in a couple minutes here over at the video.